Tell me, friend, where are you from?
Wow.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. How are
Hello,
you,
my dear
sir?
friend. I'm great, thank you. I, s- I was looking for you, but failed. And so you changed your name as it turned
Yeah,
out. Yeah, that's
yeah,
good. Sohag.
yeah. Oh, you remember me? Oh,
Yeah,
God.
yeah, of course I remember you. I
I
remember
love
that
you.
I promised you to make video in your group, but I was looking for your name, and I wanted to find your group, and I was failed. I was really frustrated that I couldn't find your group, and so I am very happy that you I found you. I found you, and
You know,
so
it's my wife. It's my wife.
it's funny. It's funny.
And the matter was that I deleted my messenger because if I can't use two apps at the same time, like messenger and Facebook, so I deleted Facebook. I decided that from now, from today, I'll practice more and more with you, with others, a person who are good at English. By chatting, what can I do? What will I do? I need to make live and practice with you and learn from you all. So,
Oh, that
how about your Eid day? Do you know Eid? Eid day, Eid Muslims festival, Eid day.
I'm not Muslim. Hmm.
I know, but you know
Uh,
about Eid Muslims Eid day
Eid
festival,
day.
Muslims festival. Yeah, Eid.
Uh, I don't know.
Okay,
I
maybe
never
you.
heard about that. Mhm.
Oh, okay, okay. So, sir, I don't know. I forget to ask you, where are you from?
I live in Russia, in Kalmykia, Republic of Kalmykia.
Oh,
It is
okay.
southern part of
One day
Russia.
I'll I'll visit Russia, I'll visit Canada, United States, and also British UK,
Hmm.
and I'll meet all of my friends, inshallah. So, can you tell something that how can we improve our reading skill? Can you tell something about this
Re, uh,
reading skill? Yeah.
Merely a thing that we um, should do, it's reading. If you just
Y-
starting, when I started to read, i I read just only one paragraph per day, and uh, one small paragraph per day. It was my amount of reading when I was a beginner, but now I can read um, one, two chapter for once, and it is. Then more you read, then it becomes easier. Mhm.
Yeah, and it's true, but I stopped practicing reading, speaking for a long time because I was in a problem. And there's but from now, I think that you'll help me to improve my skill. Oh, so do you follow American English or British English?
Actually, for me, it is. I have. Mm, uh, it doesn't matter what English to learn. The main reason it should be understandable, and because
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
if we take American, some they are talking really fast, and they have uh, their special accent, and also the British that has the same. For example, I have a friend Ben. He lives in London, and he speaks so slow, fast, so fast, and I it's hard
uh,
to follow his speech, and I
yeah,
always
yeah.
ask him slow down, please. Not so fast. It is hard for
Yeah,
me.
and they say like this, how is it going? We say simply, how is it going? They say like this, how's it going? How's it going? How are you?
How's it going?
We say, yeah, we say, where is my car? Where is my car? They say, where's my car? Where is my car? Within one thing,
Yeah,
where's
yeah.
my car?
That's
It's a lot tough to get
yeah.
their speech. But I think
They
that it's language.
squeeze it.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, sir. And I think that it's language. So we'll express our feelings so that others can understand our expression. And there's the main thing. Okay. So how about your wife? I didn't see your wife. Maybe you made a live. I watched that live, and you make a little journey with your wife
Mhm.
by driving her. Did you go
Mhm.
along driving with your wife ever?
Oh, no, no. Actually, we just driving around our city, around our town. I never took a long trip to other cities
Okay.
and other region of Russia. Just when I just only by bus, maybe by bus. By bus, I've visited mm, some cities in
Yeah.
Russia like Sochi, Moscow, and so. Uh, but my car, it is very hard because distance between Moscow and our town is 1,300 kilometers. It is
Okay.
long distance.
Oh, oh my God.
But yeah.
Uh, এখানে একটু আসো, এখানে আসো একটু। Oh, so yeah, obviously, just some seconds at this, sir, some seconds. আমি কথা বলতেছি লাইভে,
Okay, okay.
দেশের বাইরে একজনের সাথে। আমি জিরনি যাইতে পারবো না, জিরনি এখন যাইতে পারবো না আমি। না, দেখো একটা কাজ করতেছি, আমি শিখতেছি এখানে একটা জিনিস। পরে সময় থাকে না তো একটা। আর না, আমি দই খাবো না, যাও তো ওইদিকে, ডিস্টার্ব করো না। My mommy is telling me to go to market to buy something. I
Oh,
told
yeah,
her,
yeah,
no,
yeah, I understand.
I'm tired. I'm tired. You know, I eat more today. I eat more today.
Yeah.
I'm so tired. And she's told, no, you should go outside. You buy some food. I think, no, I eat more today, but I can't eat more food today. And if I buy more food, and then I'll eat more. So,
Mhm.
so sir, just what's your car name? What's your car name? Car? BMW?
No, no. My car is simple. It's a Japanese car, Nissan. Nissan. Mhm.
Oh, it's really famous and good car. I don't have any car now, but I'll buy when I'll be established. But my dad, he wanna buy a car, but I told him that no, not now. When I'll be established, then he'll buy a car, but not
Mhm.
now. It's not time to buy.
Mhm.
But oh, just can we talk about different topic now recently? No, no.
Mhm.
Okay, so we'll talk about our hometown. The topic now, hometown. So we'll discuss about our hometown and the good side, the bad side of our hometown. So now, I want to know about your hometown. So can you tell something about your hometown?
Um, my my hometown is Elista. It is not a big city. It is about 100,000 population, and but it is very cozy place, not so hot traffic, and mm, road is good, but mm, actually mm, uh, um, numbers of cars becomes more on the road, and it becomes harder to drive, especially in downtown. But we have some, our city divided to several micro districts, and I live in named like private district of city. My my district divided to many streets, and my street is called Gogol Street. Gogol, it is famous Russian writer. So to his honor, my street named to his honor. So what else? We have the biggest Buddhist temple in Europe, the biggest Buddhist temple in Europe, and so a lot of tourists wants to visit my city, and they like our views of our city. But actually, what regards to weather, winter, we have not long winter in my republic. We have only 2 months winter, but it is very cold. Sometimes the temperature goes down to -20, even 20 degrees, -20. But summer is hot. Summer is hot. The most pleasure and time is winter. Oh, sorry, spring and autumn. It's
Yeah. Oh, some friends, our good friends are commenting here, and can you read the comment, Addison?
on. Oh, sorry.
Re-
Hello, friends.
Can you
Thanks
read
for
the,
your comment.
can you read the comment?
Yeah. Mohammed asked. Mohammed asked, may I participate in the conversation? Yeah, of course you can participate in the conversation, but only when I quit from this, because the function of Messenger allows only one visitor, and so you can visit when I come out. When I come out.
And
No, I
yeah,
have
and
no BMW.
do you want to buy a BMW car? Okay, we pray for you, brother. And Susan Ahmed, he say a very amazing conversation with him. Yeah, thank you very much. I love you. This are very much special from my mind. And I'm gonna tell him about my hometown. Okay, I'm just waiting only for the chance. Okay, brother, just I'm gonna giving my speech. So I'm from Bangladesh, HRE from Bangladesh. Not Sohag now. I'm HRE now.
Okay, maybe
Okay.
I should let to take opportunity to talk with you for Mohammed and other friends who.
No, just wait for some times. I'm gonna telling something about my hometown. Then you can give them chance. Okay. So, I'm Harry from Bangladesh, and I'm really proud of my hometown. There's a really good hometown, and I born here, and I'm living for 18 years here. And it's a really big city in our country. And you know that why our city, my hometown is famous here, because a good university, public university like Jahangirnagar University, Shavon National University, situated in my hometown. So I'm really proud, and also good medical college and also medical situated in my hometown. And you know our pride is Sriti Shod is situated in our hometown Shavar. And you know there is a institution, number one institution in Bangladesh, BKSC, Bangladesh Krida Shikha Pratishthan. uh, is situated in my hometown. So everything situated in my hometown, famous thing. And I think that I don't need to go out of my hometown for higher education or for become a cricketer or footballer. I have everything in my hometown. And the person, the people of my hometown, they're really good and they help each other. And if I'm in a problem, and then they will stand beside me. You know, they're really great. And I want to refer my college name is BPATC School and College, and it's number two, ranking two college, the ranking number two, my college, in our area. So I'm really great to my hometown, and it's really frustration that we have everything, but there is two things that hurted me a lot. Two cinema hall situated in my hometown, and it's not good because students don't go to they wear their dress up, their uniform. They tell their parents that I'm going to college or school. They don't go to college and school. Instead of going to college and school, they go to cinema hall to watching movies. So it's the really bad side, I think. I think we should stop the cinema hall, and then everything will be okay. And there's so less to my hometown. Thank you very much for giving me a chance.
Mhm. Thank you, thanks. It was interesting, but unfortunately, I missed some words of yours because notifications from Messenger prevents me to listen to you correctly. And
um, I deleted my messenger. You know that if I install messenger, then I can make live. So I have to just choose one thing, messenger or Facebook. So I chose
mm,
Facebook because
mm,
I need to learn from Facebook also. Okay, sir, and take care. And we should give a chance to others.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna make live in your group. I'm gonna make live in your group and others also.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It
And
would
my
be
wife,
very great. Uh-huh.
and pray for my wife, and she's my wife. Pray for my wife.
Thank you very much. Thanks,
Okay, and
Sohag.
love
Thanks
from
for
her,
opportunity.
and a
I
lots
was
of
very
love,
delighted. Mhm.
a lots of love for you.
Thank you. In
Okay,
return.
sir.
Mhm.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay, I
Bye.
love you. Love
See
you.
you.
Bye. Take care. Okay.